your new roof. Gutters are ugly, but functional still. So that's something you might want to think about when you get the siding done or when you get the exterior painted. You may want to have them either paint or replace the gutters. Personally, I suggest replace them. But your new roof, new wood, new shingles. I'm going to see if I can get a different angle as well. Your new roof. I'm going to go, I think the best view is going to be from that window you see pictured there. So I'm going to go up there to that window and give you another video.